Hey, buddy, this is your mama. I watched a game tonight and I cried the whole time. I was so proud of you, and I'm just sorry that I can't be there. Um, I've watched you since you were 5 play this game, and it's so hard. I know you miss it way more than I do, but I'm proud of you. Um, I wish I could be there. And I just miss screaming in the stands and doing all that, but at least I get to watch it on TV. And I just want to tell you how proud I am. You've become the player that I thought you would be. And I'm sorry this is the last year. And I'm sorry it's been so crazy. But I love you, and this is only for you and I. Um, I don't know, but I don't have the words. I'm just proud of you. And I love you. And I'm sorry again that you didn't get the year you wanted. Um, so just know that I love you. And again, you were awesome tonight. I watched you play on the TV, which I'm thankful for. But I don't know, baby. I just love you and I'm proud of you. And I hope you always know that. I love you.